Good morning everyone, I'm in the kitchen this morning and I'm going to make the crustless quiche from the quick and easy Pinch of Nom book. The ingredients for the quiche are mushrooms, onions. I've used red and white onions because it gives a mixture of flavours, bacon medallions, quark, 50% reduced fat cheese, eggs, salt and pepper. Right, I put some fry light in my frying pan on a medium heat, and I'm going to add my onions and bacon. And I'm going to fry these until they lightly colour. Only take a couple of minutes. They don't need to be cooked until they're blackened.
Just soften through, really.
Yeah, soften them, yeah. Nothing smells nice with bacon and onions. That's the onions and the bacon cooked. In the actual recipe in the book, it doesn't say to add mushrooms, but you could add whatever you like to your recipe. So we enjoy mushrooms, so now I'm going to add the mushrooms. This will take a couple of minutes just to soften those. So it's all mixed in.
Mushrooms are great in this recipe because whether you're following Slimming World or Weight Watchers or Grow, they're all a source of sort of low calorie and bulk it out, give you more sort of more filling for your.
Well, aren't mushrooms free?
Well, nothing
yeah,
totally free, but they're very low in calories. Yeah, they're even lower when you knock them out the pan onto a stove.
Right, I'm going to leave that for a couple of minutes. Right, that's ready. I'm going to turn that off and leave it to cool while I prepare the other mixture. Right, I'm going to break my eggs into my dish. I will just retrieve that little bit of eggshell because I don't want somebody to get. Come on, you little bugger. I have washed my fingers if anybody's wondering why on earth am I putting my hands in that. To the eggs, I'm going to add the quark. Don't waste any. And you whisk that until there's no lumps. Right, once there's no lumps, season with salt and pepper. Add half of the mushrooms and the mixture from your frying pan. I would say that's about half, really. Half of your cheese. Mix it all up. Even that smells nice. And then I'm going to spray light my flan dish. Make sure you put it all around the edges. This prevents it from sticking. Right, I'm going to pour my mixture into my dish. Make sure you get every little bit out. And what I do is spread it out. And then I'm going to get the rest of the mixture from out my pan. Put it all round it so you get an even amount of your ingredients. Obviously this is quite a big pan, so that's why I always add more ingredients than what it says, and plus it lasts you longer. Okay, so that's the extra of the bacon and the mushroom. Just make sure it's about even. Don't want anybody moaning they've got more mushrooms than me, because that's what happens in my house. And then you sprinkle your cheese on the top. And then that goes in the oven at 180 for 25 to 30 minutes. This one may take a little bit longer because it's slightly bigger, but you'll be able to tell if you check on it. Right, I'm going to put it in the oven now. And I'm going to check on that in about 25 minutes. It's on gas mark 180.
Not electric 180.
Yeah. Right, I think it's time to check on my quiche, and I think it's cooked. And it certainly is. There it is. Look at that. What do you think of that? Delicious. I'm going to leave that to cool now, and that is for us for tea later. So that's the quiche all nicely finished, ready for later. If you'd like to make the recipe, it's in the quick and easy Pinch of Nom book with all the instructions and the recipes in there. Enjoy! Bye!